Peace and blessings. This is not Queen with Divine Blessings Apparel, and today I am unboxing my second package. I know it took a long time. I actually probably had this package for about a month, no lie. So this is from Polyprint. Move, Star. Oh my goodness gracious. She is really in the way. Too bad you couldn't see it. You can see it now though. See, always close by. She's always close by. So I had this. What did I do with the scissors, Star? I had this for about a month and I just never opened it because I was trying to get directly printing onto the shirt done right, and it took a long time. It took me a long time to get this together because the pre-treat situation is serious. But yeah, so because of colors like this is what I struggle with, because I don't like the box that the pre-treat does on the light colors. And if you look at this shirt, I don't know if you can see it, let's see. So this is straight from after doing it. You see that mark right there? You can't sell shirts with this mark. So I said, okay, for myself, because I do not want to spend thousands of dollars for a pre-treatment machine, not right now, I am going to do the white shirts and the black shirts because I don't get stains on either one of those when printing direct to garment. But since I get it on these, I'm going to do the direct to film because you know that the Polyprint is also a DTF machine. So let me see what I did with the scissors. I had them. Oh, I found them. Okay. Let's open this up and see what we got. Okay. Push this back a little. I'm trying to get y'all to the box without dropping my phone. Okay, so we have the powder. It says DTF Express. My phone is a little crooked. Okay. DTF Express. This is the powder. And it came with more film. So remember, they actually gave me some film with the printer. That's some thick tape though. Oh, okay. It's more than just, oh no, it's film. So we have some transfer film. And we have this no slip pad, which I saw saying that it was being delivered, but I don't know what the no slip pad is for. So I'm actually going to text my tech agent, which is Brandon. Let me bring it here to see what the heck is the no slip film used for, because I have no clue. I was thinking it was like a mouse pad or something. But this is huge, so this is not a mouse pad. I guess it's for the film, but I'll find out what it's used for. So that's pretty much it. So now I am going to see so that I do not get these stains. I did finally get Vibrant though. It's cute. I'm gonna have to wash it to get rid of the stain. Good thing it was for myself. And as you see, the earrings is kind of pink and it's supposed to be white, and that's because not enough pre-treatment. So it came out Vibrant, but still not enough for the white to show. So I'm going to use DTF for color shirts and DTG for white and black. And navy blue. Navy blue also doesn't get the stains when I'm doing it. So yeah, I'm going to do it that way to make my life easier and to get started, because I haven't sold anything because I'm trying to learn the printer. So I thank you for watching. I wish you much peace and blessings, and I'll see you on the next video. Hopefully it's a DTF video.